In this video, I'm going to give you 21 reasons why you need to start your own Uber business and start driving for Uber right now. This is going to be rapid fire, and trust me, you want to hear all 21. Number 1, the work is simple. You drive and you get paid. Number 2, you get paid once a week. Not once every other week. This is not bi-weekly. This is not monthly. Once per week. Number 3, no formal education. No master's degrees, no associate's degrees, no GEDs. It doesn't matter if you graduated from Harvard or if you dropped out of school. There is no formal education required to drive for Uber. Number 4, no need to own your own vehicle. If you do own your own car, that's a plus. But if you don't, you can always rent one from vehicle solutions like Fare, Hertz, or Get Around. Number 5, it's a global business, which means if you want to leave and go outside the country and you still want to drive for Uber, you can do that. Unlike other rideshare companies who are sanctioned and local here in the United States and they're not overseas. Number 6, low cost startup. For less than $100, and all I mean is filling up your gas tank, buying a couple mints to throw in the back of the vehicle, and actually getting $8 to $10 worth of rideshare insurance, you're in business. Number 7 is my favorite, referral bonuses. You can earn passive income for referring other drivers, and I do it all the time. Here's what that looks like. Here's June 17th through the 24th, $1,400. 24th through the 1st, $50. 1st through the 8th, $0. 8th through the 15th, $50. 15th through the 22nd of July, $700. 22nd through the 29th, $700. You get the idea. Those were all referral bonuses without me driving. So if you want to know how to maximize your referral bonuses, there's a link in the description that shows you how to create a website. I recommend you watch that video and you level up. Number 8, there's a sign-up bonus. That is correct. You can get anywhere from $10 to $700 when you sign up to become an Uber driver. All you have to do is use a referral code. If you sign up directly to Uber, you will not get this bonus. If you use a referral code, and mine is in the link of the description, or I'll put it somewhere in this video, once you complete your rides, you get a bonus and I get a bonus. Win-win. Number 9, quick approvals. If you meet all the qualifications and you submit all your documents, you will usually be on the road in less than 7 days. No fighting or applying for covenant positions inside of a company. None of that stuff. You're ready to roll and start making money. Number 10, it's a great way to build up social skills. This is a social business, and those who know how to communicate and interact with others will be very successful on the Uber platform. Number 11, an instant cash out option. That's right, you don't have to wait to get paid once a week with Uber. You can actually cash out instantly up to 5 times a day. All you need to do is add your debit card to the Uber system, or you can get one of their GoBank cards. Either way, you have instant cash that you can get up to 5 times a day. Talking about being profitable. Number 12 is time freedom, which means that you can spend that time chasing your dreams or your goals, or you can spend that time with family, and you can do it with money in your pocket. Number 13 is the ability to earn income 24 hours, 7 days a week. Literally, there is no time that you can't drive for Uber. If you want to drive at 7 o'clock in the morning, fine. If you want to drive for 7 p.m. at night, fine. If you only want to drive weekdays, cool. Only want to drive on weekends, it's okay. 24 hours, 7 days a week, you can make up your own schedule, and that's awesome. Number 14, you decide how much money you want to make. There is no cap. There is no one telling you you can only make this amount of money. You can only work this many days. There is no cap to how much money you want to make. Number 15, drive as much or as little as you want. There is no contract. There's no one who's going to tell you you have to drive this amount of time or you have to drive this least amount of time. If you want to drive on Christmas, fine. If you want to take off a week, fine. There is no obligation. You can drive as much or as little as you want. Number 16 is networking opportunities. You're going to meet some of the coolest people ever right in your city. If you level up on your communication skills, these people can change your life. You never know who you have in the back of your car. You're going to meet people across the entire spectrum of income and success. I have personally had politicians, celebrities, athletes, rappers, singers, Fortune 500 CEOs, I've had them in the back of my vehicle. And because I know how to communicate, I have built a network that is super strong right here in Atlanta, Georgia. You are one ride away from changing your entire life. Trust me. Number 17, you will become a local city savant. You will know where the best hotels are, the best restaurants, bars, pubs, clubs, sporting events. You will know where everything is. If you're an Uber driver in your city and you put in enough rides, trust me, you will have your city on lockdown. I've taken my family and my friends to some of the coolest places right here in Atlanta, and I would have never known about them if I didn't start with Uber. Number 18, keep your current job and build some serious side hustle money. Or run this as a full-time business and take advantage of the 8 different ways to earn money on the Uber platform and turn this into a 6-figure-a-year business. It doesn't matter if you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad. If you don't know what those 8 income streams are, there's a link in the description. I have a video that explains exactly what those are. Number 19 is take as many sick days or vacation days as you wish. There is no PTO days. There is no sick days that somebody is governing and have a chart tracking them for you. This is your business. Number 20 is you can relocate and still make money with Uber. You don't have to move wondering if you're going to have a job or if you got to interview to get a job. You can literally relocate anywhere in the United States where Uber exists, and you can be up and running that week, which means if you live in California and you want to come right here to the ATL, I welcome you. I look forward to seeing you on 285. Number 21 is the coolest of all time, and that is be a local hero right in your city. Local hero? Data shows that the number of arrests, accidents, injuries, fatalities due to DUIs or driving under the influence has decreased where Uber is operating in that city. Those are hardcore facts. Ladies and gentlemen, I have personally experienced saving at least 15 lives when I was driving heavily and I was online with Uber. It is one of the best feelings in the world when you know that you're driving and you're transporting someone who is under the influence of alcohol or some other substance, and you get them from point A to point B safely, and there is a low risk of them having an accident and harming themselves or someone else. It is the best feeling in the world. So those are my 21 reasons why you should start an Uber business and start driving for Uber right now. Take advantage of those 21 things and you can change your life. Stop listening to the negativity of people who aren't making money and aren't doing well for themselves. If you want to chase your dreams and your goals, stop listening to those people. Start making money and you'll be better off. My name is Calvin. I'm the Simple Driver. Peace.